If you want to grow your hair fast from this to this, here's 5 easy steps you need to be doing. When shampooing, it's important to do it twice. The first shampoo gets rid of surface dirt, and the second one actually cleans your hair and scalp. I recommend using a moisturizing shampoo because curly hair tends to be more dry. A moisturizing shampoo will clean your hair without drying it out. Make sure the shampoo gets into your scalp because if you're trying to grow your hair, you can't have clogged pores, flakes, and product buildup, and etc. When scrubbing your scalp, it's important to use your fingertips and not your nails to avoid creating cuts in your scalp. For anyone with excessive scalp buildup, I recommend using a scrubber. I added water in my hair to make it easier for me to detangle. I like to work in sections when detangling. For my detangling process, I use the wide tooth comb and I also use the unbrush. So as you guys can see in this clip, I take my section and I'm detangling my ends, and then I'm just working my way down until I reach my roots. A lot of people don't retain length because they're not detangling their hair properly. They're either not using the right detangling tool or not using enough water and conditioner when detangling. Right here is a perfect example of what I mean when I say start detangling your ends and just work your way down. So I just added water to elongate my hair to make detangling a whole lot easier. When your hair is properly detangled, your comb should glide through your hair this easily. The reason why the steamer is so crucial is because the steam helps to open the cuticle and allows for moisture to penetrate your hair in a deeper way so that the moisture stays there longer. Curly hair tends to be more dry, so steam for curly hair is a game changer. Every time I use the steamer, I just love the way my hair looks and how it feels. It feels so soft. So I stayed under the steamer for about 10 minutes. If you guys don't have a steamer, I recommend using a shower cap. It gets similar results as the steamer would, but yeah. So my 10 minutes were up, so I just got out of the steamer. And this is what my hair looks like after. And once again, my hair feels extremely soft. So now I'm going to be talking about hair growth oil. Hair growth oil helps nourish and moisturize the scalp, which can promote healthier hair growth and reduce dryness. Trimming your hair can prevent split ends, allowing your hair to retain length and appear healthier, which may give the impression of faster growth. It also helps make the process of detangling a whole lot easier. So to add to tip number 4, I want to talk about leave-in conditioners. I've used them when growing my hair and I'm still using them. Leave-in conditioners add moisture to dry hair and hydrates the hair shaft. It also gives you a better look when you're styling your hair. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I would style my hair using leave-in conditioner and Eco Styler gel. But anyways, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to share with your friends and family and like and watch till the end. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I'll see you guys on my next video.